So if you make your way to ExpressVPN, I've given you the link in the guide, and if you go up to My Account and then you log in, I've given you the email address and password. You want to navigate to Download for Windows. I'm assuming that you've got a Windows operating system, so if you download ExpressVPN from here, it should be pretty straightforward to install and set up. And once you've done that, you should get an app on your desktop that looks like this. So this is the app for ExpressVPN that should be sitting on your desktop or somewhere. If you navigate to that and click it open, then I'll show you how to select the correct setting for location. Okay, so once the app is open, this is what the ExpressVPN connection looks like. This is the app that will be here once you click on this icon here. So every time you're logging into doing work for me, logging into eBay or SkuFetch or SkuGrid or whatever, then we want to set up the connect to the VPN first, so that we're masking your location in the Philippines and or wherever, and it looks like you're logging in from the UK. So before you hit this button to connect, you want to just make sure you're setting up your location. First of all, you only have to do that one time. So you would click on choose location, United Kingdom, and it's London. So you can see that it's connecting to London, which is the correct location, and eventually that'll connect there. And once it's connected to London as the location for the IP address, then you're good to log into eBay and do your work. Just finally, you can also search for the London location just by simply typing in London, and it'll come up as London, UK, and you can find your IP connection from there. But once you've set it once, or chosen it once, every time you open up this app to connect to the IP address, it'll always be London unless you go and change it. But you don't want to do that, you always want to keep it London. So that's you set up with the VPN. Hope that makes sense. Any questions, let me know.